Today I'll show you how to rename your Mac quickly and easily. Renaming your Mac helps you manage your device better on Wi-Fi networks, AirDrop, and iCloud. On macOS 26, the process is very simple. First, open System Settings. Then select General. On the right side, choose About. In the Name section, click on the current name, delete it, and type your new name. You don't need to press any Save button. After entering the new name, you can double-check it by sending something via AirDrop from your iPhone to see the new name appear on the iPhone. Or open the Find My app, and you'll also see the updated name in your device list. If you run into an issue where the name doesn't update, try restarting your Mac or sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. That usually helps sync the new name across all services. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more tech tips.